Meron si Madam Jane. Thank you so much, Madam Jane. Ma'am Joby Roldan Marcos, Ma'am Brenda Dukusin, present. Ma'am Celia Bandao. Hello, Mama Seth. Welcome back to Don Bosco. Thank you so much.
Hi, Nana, madam.
Next set of teachers, Miss Ramelin Adibon, Aklibon. Madam Flora Kindud. Thank you so much for being with us, Madam Flora Kindud, and thank you for your service. Madam Genoveva Nadiahan. Madam Asunta Alaga. Sir Arsenio Ngayawan. Sir Arsenio Ngayawan. Sir Charles Gano. Sir Jodel Paulha. Madam Yolanda Dulawan. Sir Nestor Ambatali. Next batch, please. Madam Mirna Galam Napadan. Madam Joyce Egwa Harabata. Madam Venus Dulinayan. Sir Richard Pinkihan. Next batch. Madam Yolanda Dulawan, Madam Agripina Lunag. And of course, the most prominent names among all the mentors, Madam Rebecca Gapan. Madam Jane Butale. Madam Judith Dagwi. Dagyo. Madam Cristina Puguon Tumigi. Madam Yvonne Buyaw Aniban. Madam Geraldine Lunag Pagal. Sir Clarence Binwag. Nakibiko din nila Kotwada. Sir Clarence. Madam Marieta Kimayong Ballogan. Madam Elsie Balakhawe. Madam Juliet Binwag. Madam Genoveva Nadiahan. Madam Mirna Napadan. Next list, please. And those are the mentors and teachers of our Silver Jubilarians. Our Prefect of Discipline during those times, Sir Bogbog and Ma'am Mongalini. Madam Mongalini and Sir Bogbog. Sir Ruel Gapan. Noel Gapan. The younger is Ruel. Ma'am Emilia Manglip, the librarian. Wala, punta na kayo dito. Lahat ng batch 2000